Ethan was a young artist with a dream. He wanted to become one of the best painters in his city. But there was a problem. He was impatient. He wanted quick results, instant recognition, and fast success. Every time he started a new painting, he would get excited for a few days, but soon he would lose interest and move on to something else. He watched others succeed and felt jealous, thinking, "They're just lucky. Maybe I'm not talented enough." One day, Ethan met an old artist named Mr. Rivera who was known for his breathtaking landscapes. People traveled from far away just to see his paintings. Ethan admired him deeply and asked, "Sir, how did you become so good? What's your secret?" Mr. Rivera smiled and replied, "My secret is simple: consistency. I paint every single day, even when I don't feel like it, especially when I don't feel like it." Ethan frowned. But what if you're not inspired? What if the painting doesn't turn out well? The old man laughed softly. "Not every day will be perfect, Ethan. Some days your work will be bad. Some days it will be great. But what matters is that you keep showing up. That's how growth happens. The change begins." Ethan went home thinking about those words. Keep showing up. He decided to give it a try. He made a simple rule for himself: paint for at least 1 hour every day, no matter what. No excuses. The first few days were easy. He felt motivated and full of ideas. But soon, challenges appeared. Some days he felt tired. Some days he doubted himself. Some days he thought, "What's the point?" But he remembered Mr. Rivera's words and kept going. He painted on good days and bad days. On days he felt inspired, and on days he wanted to quit. Weeks turned into months, and something incredible began to happen. His skills improved. His brush strokes became smoother. His creativity flowed more naturally. One morning, while working on a painting of the sunrise, Ethan realized that the process no longer felt like a chore. It had become a part of him. Painting every day had not only improved his art, but also changed his mindset. The lesson deepens. One afternoon, Ethan visited Mr. Rivera again and showed him his latest painting. The old artist studied it carefully and said, "This is beautiful, Ethan. You've grown a lot." Ethan smiled. "Thank you, sir. I didn't realize how much I was improving until I looked back at my old work." Mr. Rivera nodded. That's the beauty of consistency. Growth is slow and quiet. You don't see it happening day by day, but one day you wake up and realize you've transformed. He continued, "Do you know what separates success from failure? It's not intelligence, it's not talent. It's the willingness to stay consistent, even when results are not visible." Ethan finally understood. Consistency was not about doing something perfectly. It was about doing it repeatedly. It was about building habits that create progress over time. The turning point. A year passed. Ethan's work started gaining attention. People began to notice his talent, and he was invited to display his art in a local gallery. On the opening night, as he stood among his paintings, someone asked him, "How did you manage to get this good?" Ethan smiled and said, "By painting every day, even when it was hard, even when I didn't want to." He realized that the greatest reward was not the recognition, but the transformation that happened inside him. the discipline, the patience, and the quiet confidence that comes from consistency. The moral: the story of Ethan reminds us of a simple but powerful truth. Consistency is the bridge between goals and success. You don't need to be the best when you start. You just need to start and keep going. If you study English for 10 minutes every day, you'll improve. If you exercise regularly, you'll get stronger. If you read daily, your mind will grow sharper. Small steps, done consistently, create massive results over time. So the next time you feel unmotivated, remember this: success doesn't come from what you do once in a while. It comes from what you do every single day. Conclusion: the power of consistency can change your life, just like it changed Ethan's. You don't need to rush. You don't need perfection. You just need commitment. One step, one action, one day at a time. Keep showing up. Keep working. Keep believing. Because the results you dream of are waiting for the version of you that never gives up. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more motivational stories and life lessons. Remember, stay consistent and success will follow.